Hey guys, it's me, Tata. Summer is coming soon, and swimwear shopping is one of the most colorful, fun ways to spend an hour. To help you navigate the new ins, I have rounded up all the key trends to look out for this season. Subscribe my channel and let's go. Neon swimwear. Neon hues have been championed by the like of House of Holland, Prada and Off-White for the last few seasons. And they are more flattering than you might first think. Super bright shades create the illusion of a deeper tan. Animal print swimwear. No surprises here, animal print returned with a vengeance last year, and the trend is going nowhere anytime soon. Searches for leopard print are up from last year, and cow spots are also proving popular. Knotted swimwear. The newest trend is anything and everything knotted. Pretend practical knotted bikinis and swimsuits allow for customization. Polka dot swimwear. The ever popular polka dot is having yet another moment. Searches spiked in January after Nicole Kidman was spotted wearing a monochrome bikini on the beach in Sydney. Contrary to popular belief, your polka dot swimwear does not need to be itsy bitsy teeny weeny.